Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day.
Cheta, you ever go through the night?
I'm almost done.
Let me see. You surprised me, Cheta. This is good.
You know, it's determination. I do not want Chief nor the contractor to see me as an irresponsible person. And I'm happy that I'm going to deliver this work today.
I'm happy too. Cheta, you try.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you. I'm almost done.
Mommy, let me go and sweep the compound before Auntie wakes up and starts shouting at me.
It's okay.
For a better day. I'll never lose hope for a sunny day. I keep my eyes straight to the target. I never lose hope.
Excellent.
It doesn't matter if I lost my parents. It doesn't matter if I lost everything. I know there's a sunshine waiting for me. Hey, hey. Oh, I never to lose hope. Hey, never to.
Wow! How did this thing got here? Someone must have taken it. What it is? Hey! How? This is not possible! Hey!
Yes. Young man.
Chief.
Where is the building plan that Mr. Femi gave to you?
Oh, sir, he has found it. He found it in the dustbin when he was coming to meet me at the side. Here's a new one, sir.
Wow. This is fantastic. Femi.
Yes, Chief.
Have you gone through it?
Oh yes, Chief, I've done that. That is really fantastic. In fact, it is better than the previous one.
Young man.
Chief.
Give me a handshake. You did a fantastic job here.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Chief.
Wow. I'm going to pay you double for this.
Chief, I don't bother about the money. I'm not going to collect payment for that.
You mean you don't want me to pay you for it?
Chief, I've said to myself that I'm not going to collect any dime from you for that. I just did it for you.
Interesting. I'm impressed. Whew. Congrats once more.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Femi.
Yes, Chief.
Yeah, I think it's a nice young man.
Honestly.
A brilliant one at that.
Honestly, it is.
Whoa.
It is.
Now, welcome. You know, for a long time we have not done this.
Done what? Please just leave me alone. I want to sleep.
That's what you always say. You have been denying me my conjugal right. It's not good. It's not fair.
What useless conjugal right? Eh? What is it? Please, I beg you in the name of God. Just allow me to sleep. I am tired.
Every time you are tired, you are tired.
Please.
Do you think I'm a wood?
Sorry, sir.
coming. Good morning, sir.
Oh, Shoma, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
How was your night?
Very well, sir.
Where is Sheta?
He has gone to work, sir.
Oh, good.
What's the money for?
Use it to buy dress, eh?
For me?
Yes.
Hey, thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir.
One thing. My wife should not know about this.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir. Thank you. I appreciate this, sir. God bless you. Bye-bye, sir. Hey, Cheta needs to come and see this. 1,000 naira. Just like that. For dresses. Hey. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Good.
Sir, I was told you asked me to come with Cheta to see you.
Oh yes. I actually tried to reach you by phone, but your line was not connecting. So I decided to send my PA to the site to bring you here.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. It might be a network problem.
Yeah, I thought as much. Cheta?
Sir.
I am always happy when I see a young man like you who is honest and industrious. These are two qualities I have found in you. Keep it up.
Thank you much, sir.
5 months ago, I recruited a young man to supervise all my projects. But just a few days ago, I sacked him. Do you know why? He's a thief, a cheat. In fact, he was caught selling my building materials to persons in the neighborhood. So right now that position is vacant and I would like to occupy it because of those two special qualities that you possess.
Thank you so much, sir.
Don't mention.
I am grateful.
Thank you. I don't know the kind of accommodation that you possess. But normally I would want people who are close to my heart to live close to me. In that way you can be more accessible to me and be able to report to me properly. So because of that, I'm giving you an accommodation in my compound. Right? And your remuneration will be 50,000 naira per month.
Sir, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
No problem. You are a very good man. Keep it up, okay?
Thank you so much, sir.
So, Femi.
Sir.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
The family?
The family is good.
Everybody is fine?
Yeah, we're fine.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hey. No matter the circumstances surrounding me, I will focus on my destiny. Even when my enemies are against me.
God has done it for us.
What is it? Tell me now.
Hey, God, thank you, Chief. This is a big deal. Chief Daniel offered me the job of a project supervisor.
I don't understand.
Chief Daniel said that I'll be supervising the 3 houses he's building. Not only that, he gave me an accommodation in his house.
No. That's not true. That's not true.
Chief, let me bust your balls. Let me tell you the biggest of it all. He promised to be paying me 50,000 naira monthly. Yes.
What? 50,000 naira monthly?
Monthly.
You're joking. You're joking, please.
Chief, I'm not joking.
I am very busy now.
This is for real. We are made. I am leaving this house tomorrow. I am leaving here to my new house tomorrow.
You're serious?
I'm very serious. I am very serious, my sister. I'm very serious.
I'm so happy for
God
you.
has done it for
Thank
us.
you, God. Thank you.
50,000 naira monthly.
Hey!
I'm telling you.
Chito!
I'll be changing your hair, changing your clothes, changing everything for you. I'm so happy.
Congrats!
Thank you, my dear.
Congrats!
Uncle, he offered me the job of a supervisor. And my work is to coordinate things in different places he has building projects going on. And to make it easier for me, he offered me an accommodation in his house.
Oh, really? He offered you accommodation in his house? Yes, sir. Oh, that's great. That means you'll be moving out of this place.
Exactly, sir.
That's good.
I hope your sister is going with you. Because I'm tired of all the troubles here.
Elizabeth, what's the meaning of this? Are you chasing him out of my own house?
Dad. Point of correction. Our house. That is why you have to consider us in any decision you take here. Since you adopted Cheta and his sister in this house, our house, I haven't had peace of mind. Troubles here and there.
Shut up. For your information, I built this house when you were not in. So mind what you say before me.
Well,
my son, go well.
God be with you. Thank you so much.
I have one thing to tell you. It is good news that finally you are leaving this house. And as you leave, never return to this house. Do you get me?
You shut up your mouth then.
Thank you.
I don't understand this. Why all this antagonism?
Oh, hey, no matter the circumstances surrounding me, I will focus on my destiny. Even when my enemies are against me, my eyes still on the target. Never to lose hope for a better day.
Cheta, why is your face like this? What happened?
I've told them.
Okay, what did the uncle say?
He's happy. Except the wife and Chidi. Chamasi, no matter what happens in my absence, please continue to bear it. Very soon I will secure an apartment for both of us. Okay?
It's okay. That reminds me. I forgot to tell you that Uncle gave me 10,000 naira this morning.
Uncle gave you what?
10,000 naira.
Uncle gave you 10,000 naira.
Yes. He said I should use it to buy new clothes for myself.
For real?
For real.
Wow, that man is a good man.
Very good man.
God will continue to bless him.
Amen. Well, since you are going to a new place, I'll just give you the money so you can have something in your pockets. But we're here, Chino.
Chimo, don't bother. I don't need it.
No.
You need it more than I do.
No. I'll give you the money. You're traveling. You're leaving me and you don't have any money with you. You have to go with something.
Have you forgotten I'm going to a rich man's house? A billionaire's house. Ebe Godi. So you need it.
Okay, fine. Okay, we'll share it. You take 7,000 and give me 3,000.
Chima, you know what? You need it more than I do. I don't need it.
No,
Now I'll give it to you.
Don't worry. Ini Edo, man.
No, you need the money to
Keep
Cheta.
it.
Cheta, I must give you something. What's this one now?
That I don't want now. Keep it.
I said no, you must want. You must want, Cheta. I'll give you. Don't worry.
Surrounding me, I will focus on my destiny. Even when my enemies are against me, my eyes still on the target.
Chief, see, no matter what you might be passing through in this house, always bear it. No matter what, okay? Soonest, I'll be back for us. Okay?
Okay. Instead, I'm going to miss you.
I'm missing you already. But I'll be back before your holiday is over.
Okay. Let me see you off to where you get back.
After the night, morning must come. There may be so much sorrow through the long night, but the morning comes with joy. It may look like I've lost it all, but yet I know a better days ahead.
Chioma! 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 Must I lose my voice? Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
Where are you coming from? Come here! Where are you coming from?
I went to see my brother off to where he will get a bike.
And that was why you did not sweep anywhere in this house.
Sorry, ma, I'm going to...
Will you stop? Fool! Come and go inside and do your job. Oh, are you still here? You're still here. Check your papa, idiot.
Young man, welcome.
Good day, sir. Good day, ma'am.
Sweetheart, this is the young man I told you about.
Oh, my son, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is my wife. You are going to gain a lot of things from me if you take your job seriously. Alright?
Thank you, sir.
Lucky.
Yes, Chief.
Take him to his room.
Okay, Chief.
You use today to settle down. Just prepare yourself because tomorrow you are starting work.
Okay, sir.
Okay? You can go.
Alright, thank you, Chief. Let me retrieve your bag. Okay. God bless.
So let's
That's your thing.
yes. About that your 50th birthday.
Yes.
Right? I'm going to surprise you.
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait.
Oh, Holy Father, I thank you for today. I thank you for your wisdom. I thank you for what you've been doing. I thank you for my new appointment. Father, you are the light. Father, I have no mother. I have no father. I only have my sister. Let your grace continue to shine upon me and my sister. Thank you for what you've done. I pray in Jesus' name. Amen. Yeah, come in.
Wow, lunch is ready. Can I bring yours here?
Okay, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Just be comfortable. In case you need anything, just let me know, okay?
Okay.
Alright, sir. You're welcome. Feel at home.
Thank you.
My brother has gone to his new home. He started work 2 days ago.
Really?
Telling you.
Thank God, though.
Thank God.
Your brother is very lucky.
Very, very lucky. Very lucky. Honestly, I'm so grateful to God. My own is, I cannot wait to leave this house as well. I can't wait. Because I am going through hell in the hands of my uncle's wife. Tina, I did not know that woman is this wicked.
Don't worry. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Just keep enjoying, okay? It's just a matter of time.
I hope so. Well done, ma.
Good afternoon, ma.
Ma, have you been there?
Who is this?
She's my friend. Her name is Tina.
Where did you get the drink?
From the fridge, ma.
On whose permission? Take it inside. Get out of my house. I said get out of my house! Take this drink, my friend! Sir? Take everything inside. Get out! Will you take these things inside? Think I'm playing with you?
Tina, wait.
Tina! Ah! Come here! Come back here. Come back here. Okay. There's no problem. You will come and meet me.
Of man is evil. Sometimes you cannot predict who the enemy is or where the enemy comes from. It is evil. Sometimes you cannot predict who the enemy is or where the enemy comes from. Where's the star that gives me joy? Where's the cloud that gives me rain? Where is the sun that brightens my day? Where is my moon for the night? All that gives joy to my soul. I can't believe it's gone in a flash, and I'm left to be under pressure. Every night I cry, who's gonna speak for me? Every day I wish this is a dream. At least I will wake up again, back to my life, where my joy knows no bound. But back to reality, there is so much pressure. Where's the star that gives me joy? Where's the cloud that gives me rain? Where is the sun that brightens my day? Where is my moon for the night? All that gives joy to my soul. I can't believe it's gone in a flash, and I'm left to be under pressure. Every night I cry, who's gonna speak for me?
Come in.
Sorry for disturbing you, but Auntie Wendy said I should call you.
Auntie Wendy?
Yeah, she said I should call you. She's at the backyard. Yeah, Chief's daughter.
Tell her I'm coming.
Okay.
Heart of man.
Where is he? You have called him and he said he's coming. Now go back there and tell him that I'm calling him. ASAP! This boy wants to play with me. By the time I'm done with him in this house, he will not even imagine what came upon him. That is big head. Yeah, go.
I was told you called me.
You were told with that your big head that was calling you. Dikeh, didn't you tell him that I was waiting for him at the backyard?
Yes, Auntie, I told him.
You told him?
Yes, Auntie.
I'll leave.
Okay.
Anything?
Anything?
Take these clothes. Wash them now. And I want it ready. Iron them very well. Don't play with me. Do what I just said. Idiots.
Hello?
Sir, how are you?
Fine. Work is fine. How are you? I'm so sorry I couldn't call you today. I was so busy though.
I'm happy to hear that everything is going on smoothly.
Our God is good.
Always.
What's this? What's the meaning of this?
Chief, let me call you back.
Hi, Debbie. Hello? Hello?
What's the meaning of this, I ask?
What is it?
Where are the clothes I asked you to wash?
I spread them outside.
You spread them outside. So you want me to go and take them in by myself?
But they are your clothes.
I will not repeat myself. Go and pack them and take them to my room. Now! No, don't let me repeat myself. And do it now. Idiots.
Why did he get off the phone like that? It's like I heard a woman's voice on the background shouting on him. Wait. Could it be that the man's wife is maltreating him? I don't understand. Why was she shouting? I'm sure. Come in. Oh, good. Good evening, sir.
Chama, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
I said, have you heard from him in recent time?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just got off the phone with him, sir.
God. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you very much, sir. For this.
Welcome.
God
Good
bless
night,
you, sir. Good night, sir. Good night, sir. Good night, sir.
Okay.
Wash the clothes properly the way when I gave you to wash it.
At least good morning.
Good morning, kill you there. I asked you to wash my clothes and it's still smelling and you did not iron it.
What?
You didn't iron it.
Me iron your clothes?
Yes.
Wendy, listen to me. I have a sister like you. She's more beautiful. And more respectful.
Hey.
That I'm in your father's house does not give you the audacity to insult me. Do you understand? That I washed your clothes does not mean that I'm a fool. I did it just for peace to reign. Mana, what the Kichori was saying?
I want to believe that you are not talking to me. Listen, you will wash these clothes today and now before you step out of this place.
Take this nonsense out of my sight.
You are not serious. You are not serious. You will wash these clothes today. In fact, now. My dear, let me tell you something. Let me just tell you something. If you don't wash these clothes, in fact, don't even wash it. You don't want to see the other side of me. You don't want to see it. Don't try me.
Come on, take this clothes out of this place.
Okay?
Take all this rubbish.
It's okay. No, it's fine. If you don't want to wash it, it's okay. But you don't want to see the other side of me. Wash these clothes.
I will crack you. I'll break your bones. Your father will just say crack. I'll kill you. Hey. Like over your room. It's like everywhere. What's happened now? Cheta, did you have issue with Oga's daughter before you left this morning? Oh yes. I washed some of her clothes and she brought it for me this morning to iron for her when I was preparing for work. And I told her I'm not going to do that. And she threatened to deal with me. That is why she disconnected our light. She's the one that disconnected. How did you know she's the one who did it? The gate man told me that she was the one that did the disconnection. What kind of wickedness is that? Cheta, I've warned you to be very careful with that girl. Her father believes so much in her. He believes in whatever thing that girl tells him. If I should tell you what I went through in that girl and when I newly came here, Cheta, put it to that, you will not believe me. You won't believe it at all. Wait, let me get it. Are you... Wait. So her job in this house is to intimidate her father's workers? Huh? That's what it seems like. Okay. Thank you for that. Thank you for telling me. I've heard you. It's okay. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.
Never to lose hope for a Saturday. Never to lose hope for a better day. I'll never lose hope for a Saturday.
Yes. Why don't you bring my night food?
Sir, I'm sorry, but there is no food for you.
How? Why?
It was Auntie Wendy's instruction. She asked me not to keep dinner, fruits, nothing. She asked me not to keep any food for you tonight.
What was her reason for doing that?
I don't know.
Okay, see what will happen now, eh? I'm very hungry. Okay? Go and get me food to eat. She will not know about it.
You think so? I saw you pass my window like a he-goat, looking for grass to eat. There is no food for you. So you are hungry? I love this. Amazing. Ginika! Auntie. Ginika! You know how you got your job? You don't want to lose your job. If you try it, you will know yourself. You will know yourself. What did I say?
Don't try I will not try.
Better.
What's your reason for not giving me food this night?
You talking to me? Excuse me.
I don't want to lose my job. I'm an orphan and it took me years to get this job. Please, I don't want to go out there and start suffering. Please, you have to go. Please, you have to go. I don't want to lose my job. I don't want to lose my job.
So what this means is that you have enough money to pay your laborers for today?
Yes, sir.
It's alright. So I will transfer some money into your account tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Dad? Please can you excuse me? I want to speak to my dad.
Okay. Chief.
It's okay. I will send for you. I will see you again before you leave, okay?
Okay, sir.
Daddy.
So, my daughter, why do you want to see me in camera?
Daddy. I want to ask you something.
Go ahead.
I need some money for shopping.
How much do you need?
200,000.
200,000. Alright, go to my bedroom and bring my checkbook.
Oh, my daddy! Daddy, sorry. Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah. Elizabeth, wake up.
What is it now? Eh? Why do you like disturbing me every night? Can't you sleep?
Elizabeth.
What is it? Don't disturb me. Please, I want to sleep. Allow me, Biko.
You have been denying me my right as your husband. If I go out now, you will be the one to complain.
Yeah? Obviously. The door is open. The door is open. You can go. If you like, carry them 10. What am I even saying? Let me leave this room for you. Since you don't want me to sleep.
Elizabeth!
Come and tie me now.
Elizabeth, come back here!
Okay.
Hi. What type of woman is this? Eh? Is this not wickedness? For the past 5 months, I've not seen the color of my wife's undie. Eh? Can we call this wickedness or witchcraft?
Good day.
Good day. I need my clothes. Who is the fact?
Sorry, you. Is this Chief Daniel's house?
Chief Daniel? Eh, now here be Chief Daniel's house.
Okay, I'm giving my brother. He works for him.
Who be your brother?
Cheta.
Ha! Brother Cheta. That gentleman. Hey! Oh yeah, wait, make I go call him. I dey come down now.
Thank you.
Cheta. Get this with me, fine. Yeah. You know. You mind?
How are you? I thought you were not coming again.
Why not?
What of Angela?
She's fine. She sent her regards.
Look
at you. Look at you.
No. Come on. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Good day, sir.
Good day, sir.
Welcome, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome there.
Thank you.
Sir, she's my sister. Her name is Choma. She came to see me.
Choma. That's a very beautiful name.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, my daughter.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
Cheta, your biological sister.
My only sister.
It's okay. Please take her inside. Entertain her with the drinks in the fridge. Get Ginika to cook something for her to eat. You're welcome there.
Thank you, ma. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Yeah. I feel so bad. Each time I remember very sad. Anyway, so
My sister, you see Chief and the wife, they have no problem. My only headache in this house is their daughter. Very saucy. The other day she went and disconnected the light that connects to the boys' quarter just because I didn't wash her clothes.
Cheta, you wash her clothes?
Not only her clothes, even her undies.
You say lie. Cheta, you need to report to her parents. Eh? After you're here to serve her, are you here to serve her?
Her father's PA told me to be careful with that girl, that she's going to put me in trouble. You know, he said that her father listens to every single thing she tells him.
Even at that, you have to tell the parents now. You can't keep quiet. I know why I'm saying this, so I know why I'm saying it. What kind of thing is that? You wash her clothes, even her undies.
It's funny. It's funny, but it's okay. I'll handle it.
Cheta, can I see this girl you're talking about? I would like to look her in the eyes.
Anyway, I learned she went out since yesterday. She's not yet back. I'm already used to her troubles anyway. It's just a matter of time I will leave this place. So, just chill. Don't bother yourself, oh? Drink your hot.
Cheta, I know you. I know you. At the end of the day, you will not do anything about this thing. Now, just keep quiet.
Matter the circumstances surrounding me, I will focus on my destiny. Even when my enemies are against me, my eyes still on the target.
Yeah, when did you come back? Thank you. Nice Cheta.
Yeah, my friend. Where have you been since morning?
Mommy, I thought I told you she went to visit.
Shut up. Are you Chioma? Answer my question. Really? And who gave you the permission to leave this compound? I'm asking you! Who permitted you to leave this house? Listen, next time you leave this compound without my permission, you will not like what I will do to you. Get out of here! You were out since morning, came back. You want to come and balance and talk, Abby? Get away! Go and look for something to do inside. Go! Get out! Fool! Useless girl! Idiot! Go and look for work.
I don't know what you're doing to Choma in this house.
Will you shut up? My friend, go inside your room and rest. Go and watch TV. Get out.
I'm asking God, why do you take my mother away? I'm asking you, why do did you choose for me to cry?
What's the meaning of this? Is that how you enter people's house unannounced?
Well, newsflash, this is my father's house. I can get into this place anytime and any way I like.
Please, next time you want to enter my room, make sure you knock. Okay?
Well, I don't blame you. I heard that you had a visitor this afternoon. Who was that?
What are you talking about?
You brought your girlfriend here and you lied that she is your sister. Do you think I want to find out? You can lie to my parents. But you see, you cannot deceive me because I know what's up.
Wendy! Don't tell me you have not been reading your books since you came back for the holidays.
Mommy, that's not the issue here. I'm having serious problems with my course. I don't understand this architecture thing. I told Dad that I want to be a communicator. I want to study mass communication. I mean, that is the field I'm good at. I know I'm good with communication. I don't know why he wants me to be an architect. Like Wendy, an architect? I should see myself like Wendy, a mass communicator. Mommy, I can't be an architect. What am I doing with that course in the first place?
Wendy, my daughter, you have to put in more effort. You'll get results.
Mom, I am trying. My first degree was public administration. Now my second degree, architecture, it doesn't even correlate. It doesn't join. Mom, public administration first degree, second degree mass communication, perfect. That's the way I like it, Mom, not architecture.
My dear, I want you to enroll in extramural classes when you get back to school. It will help you.
Mom, mass communication it is. That's what I'm going for.
Mass communication?
Yes.
And you think that one is easy?
At least I'll try. Than this architecture. What am I architecting? What am I doing? I mean, look at me, Mom. Wendy, an architect? Like, people will laugh at me. I know I'm good at communication. Like, when I speak, people listen. Ouch, Mom. I need to be a mass communicator.
But you have to discuss that with your dad first.
Mom, definitely I will speak to Dad. You trust me. I'll talk to him. He will listen to me. He loves me so much.
He's okay, my dear. Whatever he says is fine. But I still think you should put in more effort in your present course instead of changing.
Mass communication. Mom, I'm done.
But I still think you should try.
Mom, we're done. Thank you. Thank you. Love you, Mom. Mwah. What am I thinking about? Yeah. Don't worry, when I get to school, I'll call you back. Yeah. Let me call you back. Let me call you back. What? How did he get this? Who has this?
What are you doing with my textbook?
Who has this?
Yes, give it to me before you convert it to your father's.
How did you get it?
It's none of your business.
Look at you. As if he knows what it is. I never knew he was a student of architecture before he dropped out of school, as my mom told me. Could it be that he lied to my parents? I must find out the truth. Yeah, I must find out the truth.
Please, I'll need you to help me do something. I'm a student of architecture and I've been having problems with my course. I want you to please help me out with it, please.
I should help you out. Yes. Have you forgotten I'm a novice?
Oh.
Huh?
I'm sorry for my bad behavior towards you. Please forgive me.
I'm sorry. I cannot do it.
I never knew you were a student of architecture. Please, just I really need your help. Please.
So he walked out on me. He actually walked out on me. You walked out on me. Hi! And now he'll be feeling like he's so important. Me, Wendy, you walked out on me. I mean, what gave him the right to walk out on me?
Wendy.
Mommy.
What is the matter?
Nothing.
Nothing? Hmm? And you look this upset.
Mommy, I don't look upset. I'm fine.
You are fine?
Mm-hmm.
You are sure?
Yes, Mommy.
No matter the circumstances surrounding me,
what is wrong with her?
Why
is she this upset?
Even when my enemies are against me, my eyes still on the target. Never to lose hope for a better day. Never to lose hope for a sunny day.
Good afternoon, ma.
Where are you going with that bag?
I want to go and see my friend.
You want to go and see your friend? Which friend?
Tina, ma. We want to go to the state library.
You want to go to the state library? Or you want to go there to gossip? And I'm sure I'm going to be the topic.
No, ma. We just want to go to the state library, that's all.
Because you do not know your way to the state library. My friend, get inside. If you get out of this gate, you will never return to this house. Go inside. If I get up, you're a dead meat. Get inside! Useless girl. My chance.
Yeah, kinda.
Okay, there are other ways of solving this equation, but this is the simplest of them all.
Okay.
Is there another question?
I'm just true. Oh.
Sorry.
I'm really sorry. I'm sorry.
It's
but
okay.
Okay, I understand.
You're good with it, right?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay. Then since you got the whole thing, then well, true.
Yeah, we're true.
Okay.
There's something I want to tell you.
Okay, come on. If there's something you don't understand, then go ahead. Which one?
I've been having this feeling. I don't even know how to say it. I really like you. As a matter of fact, I love you.
What?
I send you die.
Please, you have to stop this, okay? Do you know the implication of what you just said? I'm not, please, I'm not just interested, please.
Why? Am I not beautiful? Don't you like
come
me?
on, just stop